Hi, to take screenshot on your Samsung Galaxy A34, you need to simply take a look at its right side first. Here you will see volume up and down buttons and the power button. So for this screenshot, we will need to hold power and volume down buttons at the same time, like that. And now we can immediately tap it. Here, open it with the help of gallery or any other way. Now let's make a screenshot again. And now we can share with the screenshot immediately. We can use quick share and so on. And also here we can see the hash. And now you can allow text to access photos and videos on this device. So all of your screenshots you can find right in your gallery, and here they are. And you can change some settings for this screenshot. For that, go in the settings, then choose advanced features. Select the screenshots and screen recordings, and here you can change setting for the screenshot. You can save original screenshots, hide status and navigation bars, delete after sharing, show toolbar after capturing, change its format, and change where you want to save your screenshots. And that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.